Hey guys, today we're going to make the famous Italian dessert tiramisu. So when I was traveling in Italy 2 years ago, I met this amazing couple who shared their family recipe with me. And when I got back home, I tried making this recipe and this was so incredibly delicious and easy to make. So today I'm sharing this recipe with you. That's it guys, thank you very much for cooking with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and also let me know your thoughts and comments. And please share your results in Instagram, tag me cookingstories101. Thank you very much, bye bye.